short summary about physical development of high school learners. Spermarchy marks the onset of puberty and sexual maturity in boys, characterized by the periodic need to ejaculate. The vesicular trend indicates that physical maturation has accelerated with boys today reaching maximum height around ages 18 to 20 and girls around 30 to 40 compared to older century ago. Adolescence is a critical period of exploring sexual identity where individuals grapple with body image, sexual attractiveness, and future sexual lives. Self-esteem plays a vital role during this phase. Individuals strive to protect and enhance their self. For effective child care, education and parenting is essential for adults to recognize behavioral changes in adolescents and provide guidance and support. Nutrition is also crucial, with adolescents needing adequate vitamins and minerals like B12, calcium, zinc, iron, hemoglobin, and vitamin D. Body image concerns are prominent during this time, making it important for adolescents to feel confident about their physical appearance.